ATCH stock analysis and ATCH stock predictions. In this quick and short 1 minute video, I'll be breaking down whether this is a buy or not for me, how I'm going to look to put it, take things up or down. And having done this for 5 years and also like having documented them all, 47,000 videos, I've seen what's making money and what's not. This in particular, I got a break even and then a freaking delivery. Right, there you go, 4 days ago, 17th of September. All I was expecting really just like a double break so I can put it, take things up from there. And that was a beautiful delivery, man. Like, all I can tell you is just phenomenal. And let's pop up here. Instead of waiting, it's actually a delivered thing. So from this point onward, the only thing that I will look to put a deal from here is definitely buy more. But it's only going to matter if I see this double break taking place. So I will most definitely continue to keep you updated. Wouldn't certainly buy unless rules are met, and I will continue to keep you updated, okay? Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.